Animal testing is a must for any vaccine before it's put to public use. Researchers at Depuis University in Shanghai are using these healthy mice to test some of the latest vaccine samples against the novel coronavirus.
The mouse testing is just a preliminary screening for candidate vaccines. After searching through effective antibodies against the virus, the candidate vaccine will continue onto a toxicology test, which will need larger animals, such as monkeys. That will allow us to gauge the safety of the vaccines before applying for clinical testing.
President Liu said a total of over 100 mice will be needed to perform the testing on Sunday. After being injected, the mice will be labeled and taken care of in labs. To guarantee its objectivity, animal tests with the same vaccine samples are also conducted simultaneously at the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention and National Institutes for Food and Drug Control in Beijing.
This kind of mRNA-based vaccine is one of the most advanced and unique technologies to produce a vaccine. It features a shorter preparation time and higher efficiency.
These vaccines are co-designed and developed by China CDC, Depuis University, and a Shanghai vaccine company. After getting the antigen from China's CDC in late January, Dr. Li Hangwen and his team have spent 2 weeks producing these multiple types of mRNA vaccine samples.
We have prepared 9 to 12 different antigens for the vaccine samples in animal testing. If the animal test fails, they have to redesign and optimize and improve the formulation of the vaccine.
At present, dozens of domestic and global companies and institutions have invested huge amounts of money and time into creating a vaccine for this novel coronavirus.
Generally, a vaccine needs to pass 3 steps of clinical testing. The period of time may last from several months to several years based on the testing period and test patients.
If the animal tests go well, Dr. Li hopes they can begin further clinical trials as early as April. Although people want a cure that ultimately ends the coronavirus epidemic soon, scientists say effective vaccines must undergo rigorous testing before being put to public use. Wu Lei, CGTN, Shanghai.